A man is pulling a block using a smooth, light pulley system. Draw diagrams to show the forces on the man and the block, and B, the pulley. So here we're going to look at the forces acting on the man and the block. So first one force we've got going upwards here, which is the same to the tension on the rope. That's acting on the man. And then on the block we got the tension acting upwards. Okay, these two tension forces are equal, and we've got mg acting downwards, i.e. the weight of the block. Right, the forces acting on the pulley, we've got the tension on the rope acting this way downwards, and as it's smooth, there's no friction involved. There is the tension, the same tension acting downwards this way. If the block is smooth and light, there will be no friction. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to draw force diagrams of a man pulling a block using a pulley. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.